So we'll start with a piece of paper here, all right? And then we're gonna flip it over, and we're gonna start making a crease right in the center. Just take your time. Make sure all the flipping and creating these creases are nice. So you can use your nail at that point every time you create a crease. So you flip it out again and then do the same thing on the other side. Okay. So after that, we open it up again. We now see that little X in the center. So we're gonna flip each of the corners right to that corner inward, just like this. Okay. All right, just repeat the same process on each corner. All right, great. So after you do that, you're gonna have a smaller square like this. So at this point, then you have to just flip right in the center again. We need those creases to be there for us to guide ourselves on the next move. So open it up again. Now we have this line in the center. So we're gonna flip half of it to the center of that. So right there. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just like this. Okay, great. So once we have this, now we have this shape. I'm gonna flip it right in the middle on the other side, just like this. Just for the same purpose of us being able to guide ourselves where is the center. We open it up, now we have this crease, and we're gonna flip half of it again, just like this, right in the center. Okay. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay. All right. Just take your time. Make sure every crease that you create is well made. All right. So there we have it. A really small square. So now we're gonna open it up almost all the way from the beginning. The purpose of all that was to just create the creases necessary for us to get to this point. So now we have a shape like this. We can open up two sides just like this, and then we're gonna flip this section inward again just to create the creases in the right direction that we need them. So I'm gonna do the same on the other side, just like this. Okay, cool. Now these are the two walls of the box that we're trying to get here. So at this point, then we have to like create the other ends, the other walls that are gonna be on this side. So at this point, this is the crease that we want to flip. So we're gonna try to fold it in, and as you see, these two corners are on the way. So basically, these tell us, hey, we need to flip it inward, just like this. And then by doing that, we need to as well just make the crease right there, and then the other side too. At this point, then we are able to actually make that side of the wall stand. Then the last step from this side, we just have to flip this little side inward, just like that. So we're gonna do this, flip it inward, press it down to make sure it fits right in the spot. Okay. Once you do that, this is very clear that it's gonna be solid right there. There you have it. So that's, now we have the three sides of the box. Now we have to finalize it by the last piece. We're just gonna repeat the same process. So we need to flip this up, but at the same time we gotta flip these two corners, these two sides inward, just like that. It's in the way. So we're gonna press it down there, press it down here too, and flip this inward as before. Okay. So once we do that, press it down, make sure you get all those nice corners. Okay, and there you have it. This is a nice little box, just like this. Okay. Now, you can create or just cut a small square of this side made out of a stronger material, maybe cardboard or something, and then just insert it inside of here, and you can even glue it so that it has a strong base. After that, you can create another one of this, just repeat the same process we did, and then you're gonna make another one just like this. And you can make one either a little bit bigger or a little smaller, and basically the smaller one will be the base, and then this will be the cap of it. So at this point, I have these two around the same size, so it's going to be a little difficult, but you get the idea. You can just insert it in once you have them ready, and just press it down like this, and then there you have it. Have a nice little box with a nice shape. Okay, nice. All right, and there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.